In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Word on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe. Let's get started. The first step is to go to the Microsoft 365 website online. You can type it into the internet and you'll see that the first link is usually the official Microsoft link. All you need to do is click on that link and log in at the top right with a Microsoft email address. You can log in like this and you'll land on this page. So there you'll be able to see all the software in the suite, Microsoft 365, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., that you can already use in the online version. So of course you won't have all the advanced features of these software programs. So next you click on the Home option and then you'll be able to see the option to install the apps on your device. But to be able to install these applications, you'll need to switch to the premium plan of Microsoft 365 and you can see the prices right here. It ranges from $10 to $7 per month, depending on the subscription you choose, so it can be more or less expensive depending on the person. That's why I'm going to share with you the tip that I use it to get these subscriptions for much cheaper. It's thanks to the subscription sharing platform Gamsco, which is a platform that allows multiple users around the world to share premium subscriptions and thus get a lower price on their premium subscription, like here, €3.67 per month. So you see, it's really a good deal. And it allows you to have the Microsoft software, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So you can find the link to the platform. Gamesgo is right below the video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. All you need to do is click on the link and you'll be automatically redirected to Gamesgo. You can log in at the top right with an email address in just a minute. Once that's done, on the homepage, you'll find the Office.com 365 option. Then all you need to do is click on Join Now. You can select the duration of the subscription you want to take out from 3 to 6 months. If you take 6 months, you'll get a bigger discount. You can even add my promo code GUMMY, like this, to get an additional discount. You see that it goes down to €3.27 per month, so it's really a great deal. Then you click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by debit card, credit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. The platform is 100% secure. Once the payment is processed, you'll instantly receive your login details in your subscription tab to access your account. Microsoft 365 with all the software unlocked. Then you'll just need to go back to the Office.com page like this to log in with those credentials. Once that's done, you can just click on Install the apps and they'll automatically install on your device. It works on both computer, Mac, tablet, etc.